Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about how astrology can help you discover your true self. Astrology has been used for thousands of years as a tool for understanding ourselves and the world around us. By examining the positions of the stars and planets at the moment of our birth, we can gain insight into our personalities, strengths, weaknesses, and life path. The zodiac wheel, consisting of 12 astrological signs, is a powerful tool for exploring our inner selves. Each sign has its own unique set of qualities and traits, and by understanding these characteristics, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our relationships with others. An individual astrological chart is a map of the positions of the planets and stars at the moment of your birth. By examining this chart, an astrologer can determine your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, and other planetary influences that shape your personality and life path. By discovering these influences, we can gain a better understanding of ourselves, our strengths and weaknesses, and how we interact with the world around us. But it's not just about knowing ourselves better. Astrology can also help us connect with others on a deeper level. By understanding the astrological signs of those around us, we can gain insight into their personalities and develop stronger and more meaningful relationships. So if you're ready to explore the depths of your own personality and connect with others on a deeper level, subscribe to our channel and join us on this journey of self-discovery through astrology.